Okay. Here goes Donna.
My brand new car came with a flashlight.
Yay! Okay. It is 8 o'clock at night. Wind is still blowing, but not really raining. Pretty clouds. Kind of freaky cool. Pretty neat. Okay, and we're going to go inside, and I don't even know if you're going to be able to see any of this because it's really dark. Okay. And we have candles. We have lots of candles. And yet it's still dark.
Very dark. Yeah.
And I don't think you can see anything.
Yeah, I bet you.
And more candles. And yet more candles. And candles. And candles. And yet we are living in darkness. And that is Robin. Hi.
Hi.
Hi. And that is Donna. Where's Donna? Show me you. There's Donna. And where's Devin? And there's Devin.
You know, I bet you if this power outage goes throughout the night, I bet this house is going to smell really good.
Oh yes, it smells delightful in here.
But it's going to smell
a mixture of like
it's going to smell
pumpkin spice and Granny Smith apples. Yes, it's delightful.
Courtesy of ShopRite's hurricane supplies.
And it's lovely.
Seriously, they called it that?
Mm-hmm.
And yet, it loses its novelty very quickly. But we survived Irene 2011.
We just need t-shirts now.
Yeah.
I survived
Sure.
Irene. Just like I survived Nitro, it's gonna be I survived Irene.
We have been without power for 6 hours. I think I'm about to explode of boredom.
A boredom seizure now.
Yes, we definitely embrace the 21st century. Okay, gotta say goodbye now.
Bye.
Say goodnight, Gracie.
Good night, Gracie.